So, after visiting two waste management facilities, I became much more aware of the process and products of recycling. Well, I thought I had a really good idea about recycling from living in Australia, somewhere that I had always known to be very climate conscious. These visits definitely challenged that belief. I learned that wet and dry waste needed to be separated in order to be recycled efficiently, and that there were seven different types of plastics that were recycled and eventually used in very different ways. The second waste management facility also provided insights into what can be created when an entire community has systems in place to correctly recycle their waste. In Aditi Chobal's lecture, I learned that there was around 945 women for every 1,000 men and 914 girls for every 1,000 boys under the age of 6 in India. This uneven sex ratio, I learned, is due to households exhibiting a strong preference for sons that in extreme situations leads to sex selection through neglect or infanticide. During this lecture, I learned that sex selection is so bad in some rural villages in India that there are literally no women or girls at all. Due to this, it is illegal for doctors in India to reveal the sex of the baby before birth. I was completely ignorant to this issue in India, and learning about it made me really keen to study different manifestations of gender inequality.